Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me. I truly do appreciate you. You know you're already part of the Grateful Gang. If you like budgeting videos as well as follow me on my journey to home ownership, then you may want to consider subscribing to the channel. And you know why? Because it's free 99. It costs you nothing. Okay, so let's get into the video. Today we'll be doing our closeout of our May check number 1 so that we can get to the allocation of our paycheck number 2 that actually came in today. So let's go. Let's make my face small. So let's see what we have here. Put me somewhere like there. So we left everything that we had actually paid in green. So I'm going to go ahead and write it because we know that the ones in green were already manually entered initially. Anything else? Okay. All right. So let's check the account. So let's bring it back to the initials. We had 1358.08. So that is what we did get in. We didn't get any more. Oh, I'm sorry. This on vibrate because as soon as I start to record, it wants to go off. And that was our income. Then we show the $50 we moved and $20 that we moved for giving, and the 508 we did for the zero out challenge, and $200 to the emergency savings, which we all just did because they all were in green. 20, 50 for the house emergency, 508, and baby emergency fund. Okay. And then for 380.20, what is this? We got money in? Oh, okay. So I transferred $380.21 in from my cousin's savings account because he wanted to cash out. And so I moved it over from the account, and then I moved it back out to him through PayPal here. So these just zero each other out. The cable bill ended up being $321.89. So it was over what we anticipated. So we thought it was $320. It was actually $321.89. Boo. So next month I'm putting it to $325 just to CYA. And that's the money moving back out to my cousin. I told him that he's gonna have to start monitoring himself because I can't have money moving in and out of my accounts due to looking for a house with y'all. I'm not kidding. Like, I'm about to be done with this house hunting thing. I'm over it. So these are my withdrawals that came out that Friday. For all my sinking funds. So 40, 55, 70, 90, 100 right here. Boom. So that's my $100 for my sinking funds. Sinking funds, $100. So that came out. Then we have $60 for Navient, which is my student loan payments. Came out. Bang. And we have $400 ATM withdrawal and $60 ATM withdrawal. I can only take out $400 at a time, so I had to do separate transactions. $460. So $460 was $240 for the cash envelopes. Let's bust out our handy dandy calculator. That's $240 for cash envelope plus $100 for the humble home plus $100 for the extra sinking fund envelopes plus 20 for the Make It or the April Flowers Challenge, which is $460. So April, May, whatever. The Flowers Challenge got 20. Why don't I see us allocating for that? That's weird. And then, like I said, the Humble Home got 100, and the extra sinking funds got 100, and that adds up for the $460 that was removed here. Then we have $6.17 at the CVS pharmacy. Don't ask me. I don't even remember what that's for, but I'm going to say it was a random expense. Then Dollar Tree, $21.32. Why did you know? Oh, wait. May 8th. This is... Okay, this is like, I think, a Mother's Day thing. I don't remember what this is for because I thought I used cash on that. 2132. I don't remember exactly what that was, but that was definitely another expense. And then Walmart Supercenter 2147. I'm pretty sure that was buying some of the toiletries or lunch or something. And this is why I need to write down transactions when they happen. I'm gonna do better tracking for next quarter. That's gonna be one of my goals. Venmo, I had lunch, $18, right? $18 for lunch, for heaven's sakes. I had to Venmo to the person who paid, and then Google KineMaster is $3.72. I think we scheduled it for $4, but it's actually $3.72. There's $4 right there, $3.72. Thankfully, we got a little bit of change back since we went over on the cable bill. And then there goes my next check. So at that point, we should have had $27.43 left. So let's check it out. We had $27.43 left. Perfect. So then we didn't spend anything and we got our paycheck in for next period. So the question is, do I roll the 2743 or what am I doing with the 2743? I'm actually going to just go ahead and put that 2743 into our emergency fund because that is what we're currently trying to save for. 2743. So transfer into stopped, can't touch this. One time, 2743. And that's for the baby emergency fund. And we're going to transfer. Success. Okay, so that's done, and we should only have exactly what the check is going to be, which is $1324.70. Boom. $1324.70. Right there. So we're going to say that baby emergency fund, make an equal sign to make it a formula. So equals 200 plus 2743. Is that what I said, bro? Yep, leaving us with a zero-based budget. So we're closing out the month with a zero-based budget, and we've added extra money. So instead of just 200 going to the baby emergency, we actually went 227.43. Yay! And this, all of these monies here are part of our 26-week savings challenges. So I'm going to make them green so I remember, and then I'm going to unbold these. So that is it, y'all. We did really good. We had a buffer left, which is really good. Had a few expenses that were not allocated for, but I don't think we did too bad. And then, I will be back probably in the same outfit because I'm probably going to do it right now. And we're going to go ahead and allocate out our money for this next paycheck that I just received so that I know that I know how to spend my money and how much I can go get out the ATM to fill our envelopes and whatnot. But that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope your May is going well so far and that your closeouts and your budgets are on target. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Remember, order to be great, you have to be grateful. And I'm super duper grateful for you. It is faith over fear this year. But not just this year, but what? Forever, ever. Bye.